Look guys, before I'm not able to apply this new Taiwan $30 Google credit in my weekly membership, but now this is successfully applied in my purchase and now I can purchase weekly membership at half price. So if you also want to know how do I do this, please watch the video at last. Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are having some problem to applying your Google Play discount in your purchase, so today in this video I am going to solving that problem and showing you that how to apply your Google Play discount in weekly membership. While purchasing weekly membership, you will not able to apply your discount while purchasing weekly membership in Free Fire. So before starting the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel and set the bell icon to all to get latest update about my new video. In this channel you will get the latest tips and tricks about Google Play Store and Google Play Points. Okay, let's get started. I'm directly showing you in my game. Okay, I'm opening directly my game and showing you that I'm going to apply my Google Play discount in my purchase. Okay, so I'm going to showing you directly in my top up option. When you get a discount from the Google, you will not able to apply that in your weekly membership. Okay, I got new Taiwan NT $30 discount in my in this account. Okay, I got NT $30 discount, but this discount is only available for higher than $30. Okay, if you purchase any item higher than $30, you will the discount will be applied, but lower than $30 you will not able to apply that discount. Okay, and you will not able to apply that discount in your weekly membership also. Okay, so look guys, this is higher than $30 and look guys, I applied this discount in my purchase and this discount is applied successfully, but in weekly membership you will not able to apply that. Okay, look guys, I'm going to showing you in another also. Look guys, this offer, in this offer also this discount is working. Okay, applying this discount automatically. Okay, look guys, the discount is automatic applied in higher than $30 purchase. Okay, but this is also higher than $30, but when I'm going to buy this the offer is not showing anywhere. Okay, look guys, there is nothing like the Google offer. Okay, there is nothing, and showing insufficient balance also because I have not sufficient balance. Okay, this is not showing. So if the discount will be applied in $30 purchase, so I am able to purchase this because I have already $30 in my Google Play balance. So 30 plus 30 is equal to 60, so that I am able to purchase that. Because but guys, the discount is not applying in that $60 TNT, but in this $240 TNT discount is applying successfully. Okay, I don't know why, but the discount is applying here successfully but not in $60. Okay guys, this is applied here successfully, but we do not want this. Okay, look guys, this offer, just cancel this payment. Okay, okay, here is in all there is applying, but here the discount is not applying. Okay, look guys, there is nothing like Google discount here. This is all blank, there is nothing. Okay, so I'm not able to purchase this. If the discount will be applied, I am able to purchase this easily. Okay, so okay, look guys, in weekly membership these both are weekly membership. Okay, okay, one is weekly membership and one is monthly membership. In the monthly membership the discount is applied, but in weekly membership the discount is not applied. Okay, so why this is happening, let me explain. Okay guys, this is happening. Okay, look guys, this is weekly membership, and in weekly membership the discount is not applying. So this is why, because of the tick mark. Guys, look guys, here is a little subscription option in the down. Okay, look here, look here is subscription option which is already ticked. Okay, so you just want to untick this. Okay guys, look, I'm going there. Okay, look guys, in weekly membership just untick this subscription and click on the purchase option. Look guys, the discount is applied successfully in my purchase. Okay, so discount is not applying because the there is a tick mark in subscription option. When you tick the subscription option, you want sufficient balance of Google Play, you will not able to apply the discount. Okay, you want your actual Google Play credit in your why you want to purchase the weekly membership. Okay, when you want to purchase the weekly membership, you want to have the Google Play credit, actual amount of Google Play credit in your Google Play balance. You will not able to apply that discount. Okay, so if you untick the subscription option, you want to you will able to use your Google Play discount in your purchase also. So I'm going to untick this and purchase this weekly membership. Okay guys, look, I unticked and I am able to purchase this because I have already $30 in my Google Play credit, and I got a discount $30 from the Google, and is equal to $60. Okay, the value is equal with weekly membership. So I'm just going to apply this. Okay, remember that guys, untick the subscription option. If you do not untick the subscription option, you want your actual amount of Google Play balance in your Google Play credit. Okay, if you want to subscribe, just untick the subscription and verify your password. Okay, I verified my password, and this is processing, and payment successful guys. Easily payment successful. All you remember that just untick the subscription option if you get any type of discount in your Google Play Store from Google. Okay, from Google, then just untick the option, and you will able to use that discount in your weekly membership, although you do not able to use that discount in your weekly membership. Okay, you will able to use the discount in other purchases easily, but you will not able to use a discount in weekly membership if you do not untick the subscription option. Okay, if you do not untick the subscription option, you want to pay the actual amount of the subscription. Okay guys, if you want to subscribe, you want to have actual Google Play balance in your Google Play Store. Okay, so just untick, then you will able to successfully able to use that Google discount in your weekly membership. If this video is helpful, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button to get latest tips and tricks about Google Play Store and Google Play Points. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.